Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Selenium Grid is a powerful tool that allows you to execute tests in parallel on multiple machines, making your test suite more efficient. When combined with TestNG, a testing framework for Java, you can easily achieve parallel execution for your Selenium tests. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of setting up Selenium Grid and executing tests in parallel using TestNG. Java installed. Ensure that Java is installed on your machine. You can download it from Java's official website. TestNG installed. You can either add TestNG as a dependency to your project using a build tool like Maven or download it manually from the TestNG website. Selenium WebDriver installed. Download the Selenium WebDriver JAR files and configure them in your project. Selenium Grid Hub and Nodes setup. Set up the Selenium Grid Hub and Nodes. You can follow the official documentation on Selenium Grid for guidance. Start the Selenium Grid Hub on a machine. Open a command prompt and navigate to the directory where you have the Selenium Server JAR file. Run the following command. This starts the Selenium Grid Hub on the default port 4444. On each machine where you want to run tests in parallel, start a Selenium Grid node. Run the following command on each machine. Replace path to Chrome driver with the path to your Chrome driver executable and hub IP with the IP address or host name of the machine where the hub is running. Create a TestNG XML file to define your test suite and parallel execution settings. Below is an example test.xml file. This XML file specifies a suite with 2 parallel tests, each running on a separate thread. Write your test classes using TestNG annotations. Below is an example of a TestNG test class. Create multiple test classes similarly for different tests. Execute your tests in parallel using the TestNG XML file. You can do this through your IDE or by running the following command in the terminal. Replace path/to/project jar files with the path to your project's jar files and path/to/test.xml with the path to your TestNG XML file. That's it. You've set up Selenium Grid for parallel execution with TestNG. Adjust the thread count and scale your test suite as needed for your project. ChatGPT